Hello. Are you feeling tired or stressed? I'm Mary and I will show you how to relax your body with an easy foam roller massage. These simple moves will help you let go of tension and feel light and free. Let's go! Today I'm showing you how to use a medium intensity foam roller. This one is not too soft, not too hard, just perfect to relax your muscles. Let's start. I'm sitting down and will roll out the calves first. Put the roller under your calves and lift your hips off the ground. Slowly roll from your ankles up to the back of your knees. Go slow and breathe. If you find a tight spot, stop there for a few seconds. It will help release the tension. But be careful. Don't roll over your knees or joints. And if you have varicose veins, serious injuries, or strong pain, skip this exercise. Are you feeling that stretch? That's your muscles thanking you. Alright guys, next up we're rolling out the front of the shin. Start just below the knee and slowly work your way down towards the ankle. Keep your core engaged and control the movement. Don't rush it. If you hit a tight spot, pause there for a few seconds and let the tension release. Do this roll 8 to 10 times, nice and steady. This one's great for easing up tightness from running or leg day, and it will help improve your ankle mobility too. Keep breathing through it and remember, the more consistent you are with this, the better your legs will feel. Now the shins are loosened up, let's take a moment to shake out the arms. Roll out your wrists, open and close your hands a few times. Maybe give your forearms a little stretch. Take a few deep breaths, reset, and we'll keep going. Now we're rolling out the back of the thigh, your hamstrings. Sit on the roller with one leg extended and your hands behind you for support. Start just below the glutes and slowly roll down towards the back of the knee. Keep your movements controlled, and if you find a tight spot, pause there for a few seconds. You can also try bending and straightening your knee to get deeper into the tension. Do 8 to 10 slow rolls on each leg. Next, we're rolling out the front of the thigh, your quads. Lay face down on the roller, resting on your forearms with your elbow bent. Start just below the hips and slowly roll down towards the top of your knees. Keep your core engaged and move in controlled way. For deeper release, you can bend and straighten your knee as you roll. Do this 8 to 10 times to each leg. Now let's roll out the glutes. Sit on the roller with your hands behind you for support. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee to ready target the deep muscles. Lean slightly towards the side you're working on and slowly roll from the top of your glutes down towards the upper hamstrings. A fun fact: the glutes are some of the most powerful muscles in your body, helping with everything from standing to running and even sitting. So keeping them loose and mobile is key to better movement overall. Do 8 to 10 rolls on each side and remember to breathe deeply and stay relaxed. Next, we're rolling on the upper back. Place the roller under your shoulder blades, lay back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Gently lift your upper body, moving through your rib cage and roll up and down 10 times. Then hold the position and gently pull your upper body downward, stretching your neck and shoulders. For a deeper stretch, straighten your arms and legs. Focus on breathing and relaxing into the stretch. Now let's move to the next exercises. First, we're going to roll the back. Place the roller under your lower back and gently roll up and down. You can move through the mid-back, but avoid rolling directly on the lower back or the neck to prevent injury. Focus on the muscle areas along the spine, moving slowly and feeling for tension. For the next exercise, lay down with the roller placed under your neck. Gently move your head left and right, rolling your neck and allowing the muscles to release. Do this 8 to 10 times and remember to move slowly and with control. Great job! Your body will thank you for this. Keep going and stay consistent. That's it for today. I hope you feel more relaxed and less stressed. Take care and I'll see you in next videos. Bye!